Welcome back to the channel. It is Racer X, and today is a pretty darn cool day because I'm on the way to Gearheads Performance in Mansfield, Texas. As you can see, I am in the 2020 Mustang GT, and up until today, this car has remained bone stock. Well, all of that is going to change. As many of you know, I'm going with a Hellion 64mm twin turbo kit on this car, and what better way to complement that than with Magnaflow's Bad Daddy Xmod system. What a fantastic exhaust. Well, today that thing is going to go on the car. I'm going to show you the exhaust system, and I'm going to let you listen to know both the stock system and the Xmod so you can hear the difference. And because the Xmod flows so well, I felt like it was the absolute perfect choice for this twin turbo build. Really the best of everything going on this car. I am really looking forward to bringing you guys along on this journey. So today is step one, headed to Mansfield. It's going to be a good one. Also, guys, if you are new to my channel, do me a giant favor. There's a subscribe button down there right at the bottom. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified when my brand new videos come out. You can also follow me on Instagram. And here we go. We got the 1,000 horsepower helmet. But one of the things I'm a little bummed about is the fact I didn't actually get to show you really the unboxing of the Magnaflow Xmod. It came and it was raining outside, and unfortunately the box got a little bit wet and all that kind of stuff, so it was kind of soggy. Plus, I had to get all of the components for the Xmod in the Mustang. I don't have a truck or anything anymore, so anyway, all the stuff from the Magnaflow box is all in the car. Like I said, took it out piece by piece and kind of carefully packed it in the Mustang. We'll get it up here. I'll take it all out and actually lay it out for you to see, so you can see like all the different components and how neat it is and how adjustable the system is, so you can configure your sound levels. So pretty neat deal. I do think it is worth mentioning that this particular Mustang came with the active exhaust mode. So essentially what you get is quiet, normal, sport, and track. And I actually really like the way this thing sounds in sport mode. I think I actually even like it better than track. There's just something really kind of visceral about this exhaust system. And it's really amazing how good this thing sounds, really bone stock. I've been quite impressed with the sound of this Mustang since I got it. But I will mention as well that the Xmod is definitely next level. So I can't wait to see how it compares. All right, I am now at Gearheads. As you can see, I've got the Mustang up here. It is on the lift. Now, I've already laid out with the help of my good buddy Matt here, who's doing the install. This is the system that goes on the car from Magnaflow. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the craftsmanship on this thing. As you can see, it does have the built-in kind of rear resonator here. You do have drone canceling technology. This system is a little bit different than the Charger and the Challenger systems you guys have seen me do. But check this out. You do get the beautiful carbon fiber tips. I mean, this was actually the first system that Magnaflow came out with. Before the Charger, before the Challenger, they had this Mustang system, but a beautiful 3-inch stainless steel welded. I mean, it's just unbelievable, the quality in this. And check out this beautiful X pipe they have here. Now, you do have the option of either going with the mid muffler or going with the X pipe and the delete. Obviously, we're going to use this one because we got the twin turbo kit going on, and that's just going to help it flow that much better. It will be a little louder with that. And as always, you can see it does have the V-band clamps right there, and you can see the V-band clamps are right there ready to go. So the whole system is here laid out. I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. But really quick, I do want to show you what the stock exhaust sounds like. So we'll go ahead and give it. We'll go ahead and start it up, and you can see just on start, it does sound pretty good for a stock car. Let's listen. So there you go. And now we'll go ahead and get the Xmod installed. So one other quick thing I do want to mention about this Mustang system, which is pretty darn cool. You can see right here, this does have kind of that delete, if you will. You've got the valve that comes from Magnaflow, which is actually just beautiful. I've talked about this in the Charger and Challenger system as well, but a really, really nice piece of machinery right here. But you can see that you have your actuator that kind of goes in here to move the valve back and forth. And of course, this is the delete. So they've got you covered whether you have the active exhaust system or not. Well, the Mustang is now up in the air. As you can see, this is the stock system that comes on the Mustang. It's got a much larger kind of rear muffler here, and you can see the diameter of the exhaust system is actually smaller than on the Xmod. But as we jump up through here, you can see it does kind of have this mid muffler here as well, going all the way up to the catalytic converters right up here. So it is a nice system on this Mustang, but like I said, this is next level. When we put the Xmod on here, we'll see how that goes. So we got my man Matt here. He is working on getting the stock exhaust taken down. These guys are really good at it and proficient at it. And like I said, this is a bolt-in system, which is great. Obviously, it takes a little bit of work to kind of get all the, the V-band clamps lined up just perfect and all that kind of stuff. So there's a little bit of kind of fine-tuning with this exhaust. But I'm sure he'll have this exhaust down in no time. So there you see my Mustang up on the 4-post lift here, but I do want to show you the inside of Gearheads here because they've got a fantastic shop. It's a big shop, and you can see our man Phil walking this way, but you can see we've got Mopars in here. We got a Hellcat here. We've got another Hellcat here up on the lift. That one's got a substantial amount of work done to it, but they also have some old school cars, which are pretty darn cool. Check out this bad boy here. Of course, they are working on a Mustang currently on the dyno over here, and as we jump over here, we've actually got some other good stuff. My man Hunter right here, as always, staple of the shop right there. There he is. And of course, check out this bad boy over here. Beautiful car. So they've got a lot of really neat stuff in here, old school, new school, and they do all sorts of different things. There's my man Luis. We've seen him on my channel before. He is over here at Gearheads now as well. So they're doing some big business over here. So Matt has already got the stock exhaust out of the car. It took him all of about 6 minutes to get it out. And so you can see how big the mufflers are on the stock system. And then of course, you've got, like I said, you do have that this mid muffler here. But as you look at the Magnaflow system, things change a little bit. A much smaller, more compact muffler here in the back. And of course, we do have the drone canceling technology here as well, which is really neat. So when we get it all up in the air, you'll get a much better look at how this system looks completed. It's actually beautiful. Now, my man Matt has been absolutely ripping through this install. He has just really cranked it out. It took him basically no time at all to not only get the stock exhaust system out, but also you've got several pieces already installed here. You can see this pipe coming back, and then we're going to get back to the muffler section as well. But the mid section is actually already installed. You can see it's beautiful. As you can see, this is the Xmod Extreme Delete there on the mid muffler, going back to this state-of-the-art X pipe. He's got the V-bands clamps already on here. Now, one thing I do want to point out is it has this bracket here. I did not see this on the Charger or Challenger systems, but what this will do is actually help to keep the system straight all the way out the back. I really like this little touch from Magnaflow here, and I think it's going to make the install just that much easier. So a nice little touch from those guys. So what Matt is actually doing right now, he's going to go ahead and take these pieces out and go ahead and get those valves installed. And then, of course, once those things are installed, we'll go ahead and get these actuators, these little motors, pulled out of the stock exhaust system, and they actually fit in quite nicely into the valves that are designed here by Magnaflow. So he'll get that knocked out, and then, of course, these pieces can go up into place. Now, one other thing that Magnaflow does is they send you a set of adapters. As you can see, I've got them right here. Now, these can be really handy if you're going with headers or if you're going with a twin turbo kit like what I'm doing. These things are an absolute necessity. So another nice little touch from Magnaflow. I know people were going to ask about what those were. Now, one other nice little touch that Magnaflow does is you can see you've got these little discs right here. So if you happen to have a Mustang that does not have the active exhaust, as I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and put these in because it does have the active exhaust. But these things can actually go in there to give you different levels of sound. So you've got one that actually produces a little more sound than the other. It kind of comes in right over here. So just another nice little feature that Magnaflow throws in there to give you more adaptability. So as you can see, Matt is still working on the exhaust, but he's got basically everything in place with the exception of kind of those little chambers that come off to the side. We'll do that very last. So he's doing kind of the painstaking work of just sort of adjusting everything. We'll get the tips adjusted. Obviously, we still have to get the wiring harnesses plugged in here, but making a lot of progress on this Xmod, and it really hasn't taken him long at all. All right, so Matt has done his magic. It is the system, the complete system is in. Every piece is here. Man, this thing came out great. Even up in the air, the tips line up really, really nice. As you can see, you got those beautiful carbon fiber tips. And then, of course, you've got the this rear sort of really small muffler. You've got this drone canceling technology, this little tube coming out right here that's capped at the end. It looks a little strange, and it comes out both sides, but it is in there, and that will help cancel out all that drone. A lot of research and development that Magnaflow did to kind of cancel drone out in this system. And of course, as we move back, you can see we jump here. There's that little plate I mentioned before. We jump back to this delete, the muffler delete, which is this really nice X pipe going all the way through, and head on up to the pipe that connects to our catalytic converters up there. So the full system is in. I think it might be time to lower this bad boy down and see what it sounds like. All right, so we've got the car cut on. You can see the tips just line up really, really nice. I love the way the carbon fiber came out on the back of this thing. It looks really, really mean. It sounds really good at startup, but we'll give the thing a couple of revs, let you hear it. And like I said, this is without the mid muffler in there. Sounds fantastic. Let's listen. All right, so there's one more little bolt that we got to get tightened down. We actually forgot about, so we're going to get back up there, get one little bolt tightened, and then we're going to get the car off the lift. I'm going to take it for a little drive and let you hear what it sounds like in the cockpit. I'm kind of looking forward to this little drive here. So now that I'm actually cruising down the road in the Mustang, I have this in quiet mode, but the tone of this exhaust is distinctly different. You can actually, even in quiet mode, you can really hear it. I mean, it sounds really nice. There's no drone at all. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. This is quiet mode, so I'm actually going to change this over to sport mode and see how this sounds. It sounds really good. I love it. It sounds fantastic. So I am very, very pleased. It really does have that distinctive Magnaflow sort of deep rumble to it. And there's always something about a Magnaflow exhaust because it does make such a nice deep tone that I really, really like. And it is louder than stock, obviously, which is kind of what I wanted, even though the stock exhaust sounded good, but it's still very, very pleasant. Like I said, I can't get the system to drone at all. I've been kind of driving it for a minute, trying to get it to drone. It just doesn't. So obviously that drone canceling technology is doing its thing under there. And I'm very surprised at just how docile it can be when just cruising around, and just how good it sounds and how throaty it sounds under hard throttle. And that really is the beauty of the Xmod system, is that it is configurable, right? So obviously you saw that I didn't do the mid muffler in this when I put the X pipe in there, and it's beautiful. But either way, it's great. Now, say for example, you're somebody that's not going twin turbo like I'm going, but you're going to do headers on the car. You put the headers on and the thing is just too loud. You can always put that back in, and that's the great thing about an Xmod, is you can really adjust your sound levels. You saw the little discs for the guys that don't have the active exhaust modes. That's another way to get in there and kind of alter the sound a little bit to your liking, because sound is so subjective. Well, I realize the Xmod is not by any stretch of the imagination the cheapest exhaust system on the market. When you talk about some of the best quality materials, the V-bands and the V-band clamps, certainly the stainless steel construction and all of the technology that went into building the Xmod, it really is one of the best systems on the market. And because it's configurable, it's almost like being able to buy different exhausts all in one. So I really do love that about the Xmod. So they're not just my partners, as you guys know. I wouldn't put anything on my car that I didn't feel like was the best stuff to put on my car. So anyway, guys, that's about it for this one. I am super pleased with the way this Xmod sounds on this Mustang. Round one of mods going in. Stay tuned for the twin turbo build. That's going to be coming up at Gearheads here very soon. And I will catch you guys on the next one. So until then, Racer X.